All right, here we are. All right, well, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. We've got the driveway edition happening. They just dropped off the rock for that. Oh yeah. So this will be the new driveway and the rental. And so it's a lot of rock to drop off. Hopefully nobody hits this pile coming around that corner. But yeah, we'll be taking these doors off. This will be the new driveway area. So we'll have them dig this out. And then these doors will be coming off today. And we'll have basically this whole area is going to be gravel. So they're going to dig this out about 2 inches all the way up here. And there, all the way, and this will be all gravel parking. So, and then these doors, this will remain open. Hey, hi. And then the fence will start here. The fence will start here and go all the way across for our side. And then the fence doors will be like right here somewhere. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, we'll get this all taken care of. There's going to be a tub that's put in here to prevent weeds, and then we'll take down this temporary fence and have a new fence. So, not sure what they're doing, but anyway, that's what's happening. Hey yappers, knock it off. What you want to fight? You want to fight? What Ooh, yapper? Why are you becoming a yapper lately, huh? Anyway, so and then we'll be filling that in, but this will all be gravel. This will be our side up to the gutter, and then this will be parking and placed with the trailer, all that stuff. So, but we'll bring you along as the process goes along. All right, the guys here put the driveway in. Got the big John Deere. We got the trailer and the truck. And yeah, start tearing this up. This will be a 2-day thing. So we're just going to get these fences moved. The neighbors are finally happy. These guys are cool. I'm gonna be happy. I don't have to take care of this. Last 2 years, this turns into like some Amazon forest. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure there's snakes and crap over there.
Oh man. Yeah, that's not fun to deal with.
Big old nest over there. But every year I come out here, but they scraped this down. They took this down about 4 foot.
Okay.
And put clay on top. So the whole, I mean, it's pretty impressive. Getting it done. Oh, looks like they buried crap. Look at that go. Oh yeah. Precise measurement. Beautiful. We got the boys here today doing a little bit. Got the John Deere out here. Got the gravel. We're gonna call some street drama here. Yeah. Who are y'all with?
Big for Excavation.
Oh yeah. We'll have to figure that out later. Yeah. Just taking it to the top. Taking it away. Yeah, this is the most expensive part of it right here, is hauling it off. But we got to get this out of the street. So I think what they're gonna do is kill the corner, and we'll see. But yeah, this has become a controversy part of the build here. So it's not good. It's kind of out here in the middle of the street. So I put these cones on, and then I got solar lights. So, and at night these pop up bright. So, but you can tell it's way more in the center of the road here. It's really important that we get it off the road. And then, unfortunately, people are ridiculous here, and you can see where they drove over my neighbor's driveway and right into his yard. Just getting this pile moved over a little bit so it's not out in the middle of the road. So I'm just going to place that here. We won't have gravel till tomorrow, so I'm going to finish cutting this out. It's a little late tonight, and we have this huge storm coming, so can't play in the mud. Whew. All right, day 2. Starting to tear up more over here. Yep. The boys are here with their dump trailer. And it's starting to rain. Seems like every time we try to get out here and do something, it rains. We did find a drip system right here. I didn't know it was located here. So, but look at this. Getting it down. I think they're going to do about 4 inches, and then you know, go on their way. Stay out of the way here. John Deere, baby. Oh yeah. we got fields of gravel. Look at that. We got the 4 inches down. Got the gravel out. We got CD. Say hi, CD. And this is what we got left over here. So, yep, that's where it's gonna go. And then we'll have a little lip here for fences and whatever else. And that's looking good. Bringing in the gravel. All right. Woo! Look at all this craziness. Getting it done. Okay. All right, here we are the next day. We've got a driveway. We did such a good job. We're here way late last night. But yep, it's all been laid out, and now they just need to put the weed barrier down, and we'll fill that in. It looks good.